This almond crusted salmon tastes like it's breaded, but it's actually just tiny little bits of broken up almonds coated on the outside of the salmon with honey mustard. Salmon is my new favorite lunch protein because it takes like 10 minutes to cook in the oven or in the air fryer. I ground up whole almonds in the blender because I love the texture of real almonds. They're not too large and crunchy, but they're not as small and powdery as almond meal. You can totally use blanched almond meal though, which just means the almonds are not peeled before they're ground down, which is why it's darker because you can see some of the skin. Take your almonds and mix them with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Put them in a shallow dish or bowl or something that you can fit an entire salmon fillet into. Then mix up some Dijon mustard and honey. This is what's going to get the almonds to stick to the salmon. Cover the salmon in a thin layer of the honey mustard and then flip the salmon upside down into the crushed almonds. I push mine down gently to get it to stick well and then turn it on both sides to cover both sides as well. You can make them in the oven or the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10-ish minutes. Just make sure you pull them out at 135 degrees. You'll get silky smooth and flaky salmon. You can drizzle this with honey mustard. We put ours in a rice bowl with whatever veggies we had left in the fridge.